Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix where winds meet gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC once. So for that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once done, check if controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable and disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller and here you have to select enable Steam input. And after that check if controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check if controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to update controller drivers. For that, first you have to connect your PC and controller. Once done, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. Once done, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files and after that check if the issue is fixed. Next is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and then check if the issue is fixed. Here you will be able to see the update option. If yes, update your game and then check if controller is working or not. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for updates to check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now click on Bluetooth and devices. Now here your controller will be added. You have to remove it. For that, click on the three dot icon and then click on remove device. Once done, restart your PC. After that, again come here, click on settings, then click on Bluetooth and devices, then click on add a device. Now click on here and you have to add your controller or gamepad to the PC. After that, check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, then the next solution is to install DS4 Windows tool. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, here you have to click on download option. This will take you to the next page. Now from here you have to download DS4 Windows tool. After the file is downloaded, you have to connect your controller and update it, but before that you have to install the DS4 Windows tool on your PC. Once done, launch the game and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. So by this way you can easily fix where winds meet gamepad or controller not working issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.